front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off adaptive brightness. Firstly, you can go into Devices Settings and scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Now use this switcher next to Auto Brightness, located under Brightness slider, to turn it off or on. But if you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and click on the sun icon located on your brightness slider. If sun turns black, that means that auto brightness is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same icon until it's orange. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!